The TaskMan Smart Factory Management System is a centralized control platform for managing the mission and traffic of mobile robots fleets, as well as managing tending robots, CNCs, etc. TaskMan has achieved efficient allocation of production tasks through its nearly 40 years of experience in multi-variety, small batch manufacturing, and industrial planning manufacturing algorithms. Whether it is simple material handling or complex processing tasks, it can perform optimal task scheduling based on the real-time status of robots and equipment. At the same time, it also has powerful robot mobility management and traffic control functions to ensure orderly operation of robots within the busy factory, avoiding collisions and congestion. The specific functions are as follows: the status collection and monitoring of production equipment, which can support equipment systems including Haas, Heidenheim, Siemens, Fanuc, etc. By clicking on the icon of the equipment, you can understand the current status of the equipment, including program number, tool number, and the quantity of completed products. Collection and control of mobile robots and stationary robots, allowing for real-time viewing of the movement trajectory, location, battery level, and other information of the mobile robots. Elevator control and temperature monitoring in the CMM inspection room. It is very convenient to reload Li-Gong's APS, WMS, and other software, providing multiple applications on a single platform, making management more intuitive and convenient, and improving the efficiency and accuracy of decision-making. All software and system installations are based on the company's private cloud servers, ensuring security and reliability, making the management of the entire factory more efficient and simple. Wouldn't you want such an intelligent factory super manager? Accelerating the world's transformation to digital intelligence.